Hey guys, welcome to MarineMax. I'm Chris Harding, and today we're on a brand new 2019 Sea Ray SLX 310. This boat's super cool, lots of space back here, really nice area to lounge in. You pull up, you raft up inside the cove, and you've got a great seating area, great platform area. This boat does have a submersible swim platform that comes out from under. Great storage under this rear seat. Bumpers, lines, ski ropes, you know, really whatever you can fit down in there. There are drains, so if you want to put anything wet in there, it works great. Really nice starboard side walkthrough. As we come into the cockpit, you'll see a really nice seating area. So Sea Ray thought of everything, making sure, you know, it's got a great social setting. This boat does come with a Kenyan grill. Grill works great. Hamburgers, hot dogs, steaks, fish, the Kenyan grill works awesome. This boat is equipped with a refrigerator, so put your drinks, cold meats in there, anything that you really want to keep cold inside of there. The boat also has the hardtop. The hardtop will slide back and open up, so if you want some more sun or if you're out for an evening cruise and you want the moon in there, you've got a great area back there. This boat has the new style dash. Sea Ray changed up the dash this year and went with twin Simrad units inside the dash, so you got all your boat controls that you can change. Maybe you don't want them on this screen, you want them on the other screen, and you want to change this one over to your chart. They did a great job redesigning it. It's got some backlit LEDs behind it. Fusion stereo. Boat is also equipped with a joystick, so joystick docking allows you to move it side to side, twist it and rotate it. Makes it super easy to get into the dock, maybe get into the gas dock while everybody else is having to do circles. Upgraded head. Boat does have a like a true toilet. Push the lever down, it flushes like your toilet at your house, puts it into a holding tank so that later on you can take it to the gas dock and have it pumped out. As we make our way forward, boat is super cool. It's got lots of storage, so you've got plenty of room to store everything from tubes and saddle floats and noodles and everything that you need for a great day on the water. Lots of seating area up here, flip down armrests. You know, Sea Ray just did a great job with this boat. Again, I'm Chris Harding with MarineMax of Dallas. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 972-436-9979 or stop by. We'd love to walk through the boat with you and show you some really cool options that this boat has. Thanks and have a great day.